What's up guys, my name is DoorDash Tips and today we're gonna unbox the GoPro Hero 10. GoPro Hero 10 fam. Alright, let's get it. Voila! Whoa. Almost dropped the memory card. Here it is fam, GoPro Hero 10. I will drop the link in the description. You can get it on Amazon for $3.99. GoPro Hero 10 fam. Alright, let's open up this bad boy, huh? So it comes with a 32GB memory card. I highly recommend the 400GB memory card from SanDisk. 32, I don't know, you can shoot it for like 1-2 hours, but if you're a vlogger like me, I highly recommend getting the 400GB memory card fam. Once again, the link to buy this product on Amazon is in the video's description. All right. Last time I did an unboxing was the GoPro Hero 8. That was 2 years ago. All right. Let's see what's inside, huh? I think I got the bundle once again. All right, you got the black box, GoPro carrying box, I guess. Alright, let's open up this bad boy, huh? So it comes with a 32 gigabyte SanDisk memory card. And here's what's inside the box, fam. So you got the GoPro camera. I believe that's the shorty stick, the mount, helmet mount, 2 GoPro batteries. All right, let's take out the camera. This is the GoPro camera, fam. I believe this is a helmet mount for all you, action sports people, skydiving, snowboarding, and all the good stuff. Another mount, another GoPro mount. And this is the clip. Two GoPro batteries. I recommend only getting GoPro batteries. GoPro OEM batteries only. Do not get aftermarket batteries, fam. It's not gonna work. I tried some aftermarket batteries from Amazon before. It sucks. All right, and this must be the shorty grip, fam. For all you vloggers out there. And there you have it. You got the camera. You got the mount. Got the 32GB memory card. Shorty grip, 2 GoPro batteries, and I believe the battery is still the same, fam. So I already have 3 GoPro batteries from the GoPro 8, so I have an extra 2 batteries now. So my favorite device is probably the shorty grip, you know. So you can hook it up with the shorty grip, huh? This is my favorite action camera. I haven't tried DJI yet, but you know, I think GoPro is probably the best out there. So you would clip it on the shorty grip. And maybe in a few days we're gonna have some new GoPro footage, fam, for these DoorDash ride along. This is a shorty grip. And there you have it. GoPro 10, GoPro Hero 10 Black, fam. I think it has 5K 60 FPS. I'm not too sure about all the technical features. I know it's a little bit better than the GoPro 8, but since my GoPro 8's battery is stuck inside, that's why I bought this one. It's got a lot of features. Best action camera on the market right now, fam. GoPro Hero 8. So once again, the Amazon link for this GoPro is in the video's description. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.